Good evening everyone. Today we are going to start with our algebra chapter of 9th class. It is 5th chapter, linear equation in two variables. Before moving to our chapter, let's see what is linear equation. So linear equation is the equation in which the degree of the equation is 1, or in the equation if there are variables its highest power is 1. So if I tell you ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Is this the linear equation? Yes, because the highest power of the variable is 1. Is this a linear equation? Then no. So again, is this the linear equation? No, because here the highest power is not 1. So highest power should be 1. Then this turns out to be a linear equations. And our chapter contains two contents. It is linear equation in two variables. So the equation must compulsory contain two variables. How many variables are there in this equation? X, y. Two variables. Here it is x because a, b, c are constants. So x. So only one variable. One variable. Only this contains two variables. So I can tell that this is linear equation in two variables. Okay. So in this chapter basically we are going to find out these two variables, solve upon these linear equations in a very easy method. Now by using variables x and y, form any 5 linear equation in two variables. Okay, they have given the variables. What are the two variables? I'll write step by step. Given two variables as x comma y. Therefore, how many equations? 5 linear equations are. You can write any 5 equations. It is 5x plus 2y equal to 3. X upon 2 plus y upon 9 equal to 1. Any equation, just you have to change the coefficient. You can also write x minus y is equal to 0. Next you can write it as 2, I'll take one root x plus 4 root 3y is equal to 9. More fractions, you can also write negative numbers, minus 5x minus 7y is equal to 3. Any 5 equations you have to write which contains two variables, and keep in mind the highest power of the variable should be 1. Power is this one, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Understood? Yes, very easy sum, just a basic overview for this sum. Now we'll solve our second question. Find solutions for equation x plus y is equals to 7. Therefore, question number 2, given x plus y is equal to 7. Let me increase a bit size. So now, therefore, we have to find any two values such that whose addition turns out to be 7. If I take x as 0, then y will be 7, will get 7. If I take x as 1, y will be 6, will get 7. If I take x as 2, y will be 5, take it 7. If I take x as 3, y will be 4, it turns out to be 7. I can also take some minus values. If I take x as -1, y will be plus 8 and I'll get 7. Any values you can take it. So I got 5 values. I will write therefore solution is x comma y is equal to first 0 comma 7, next 1 comma 6. It can also be another solution can also be 6 comma 1, 7 comma 0, वो भी आ सकता है. Next is 2 comma 5, next is 3 comma 4 and next is minus 1 comma 8. So this is the solution set. These are the values of x whose addition turns to be 7. Okay, is this also very basic and very easy sums? The complicated sums or the proper solution will start from the next question. Solve the following sets of simultaneous equations. So now, first I'll write equations one below the other. Question number 3, first one, solution. What is our first equation? X plus y equal to 4. And our next is 2x minus 5y is equal to 1. I'll give it equation number 1, equation number 2. Now, how to solve these equations? Just whenever you find such two equations and with containing two variables, मतलब दो इक्वेशन दिए है और उसमें दो अननोन्स भी दिए हैं, तो आपको सिर्फ क्या करना है, जस्ट चेक द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ ईच वेरिएबल. व्हाट इज द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x? 1 2. कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ y 1 5. ओके, चेक किसका कोएफिशिएंट सेम है. x के कोएफिशिएंट सेम है क्या? नो. y के कोएफिशिएंट सेम है क्या? नो. So you have to make the coefficient of any one variable same. Any one variable. Just keep in mind. Now, if I want to make the coefficient of x as equal, so what should I do? Multiply this equation by 2. ये 2 से इस इक्वेशन को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एंड मल्टीप्लाई दिस इक्वेशन बाय दिस वैल्यू. ऊपर की वैल्यू से नीचे का इक्वेशन मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एंड नीचे की वैल्यू से ऊपर का इक्वेशन मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. जस्ट गेटिंग? हाँ, यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई अबव इक्वेशन बाय दिस नंबर एंड बिलो इक्वेशन बाय दिस नंबर. सो देयरफॉर मल्टीप्लाइंग, आई विल राइट द सेंटेंस इक्वेशन नंबर 1 बाय 2 and equation number 2 by 1. Okay, so it turns out to be, therefore equation 1 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 2 into x 2x plus 2 into y 2y is equal to 4 into 2 8. Equation number 3. Keep in mind, you have to multiply each and every term by 2. Mostly people what do? They multiply x, they don't multiply y, they don't multiply constant term, or they multiply y, they multiply constant term, or they multiply only constant term, they don't multiply constant term. There are various mistakes. Just keep in mind, 2 को हर एक term से multiply करना है. Okay? So now check this new equation and this previous equation. Now, what are the coefficient of x? 2 and 2. Y 5 and 2. So x तो same है, x same है. Are they with their same sign? I'll write here one formula. Same sign subtraction, different sign addition. This is the star mark. very important to solve any linear equations in two variables. Understood? So उसका क्या मतलब है वो मैं अभी बताता. See, 2x 2x are they with same sign? Same sign मतलब आगे क्या है प्लस प्लस. So हाँ same sign. So they are having same sign means you have to subtract. What to subtract? We have to subtract the equations. So subtract equation 2 from 3. Always keep in mind when you write the word subtract, you have to write the word from. What people write? Subtract equation 2 and 3. अरे भाई 2 में से 3 को निकालना है या 3 में से 2 को निकालना है, हमको वो समझ में नहीं आता. So keep in mind whenever you write the equation for whenever you write the sentence for subtract, always write the word from. So when you write the word from, what you should do? The equation which you write afterwards, write that before. 2x plus 2y is equal to 8, and the other equation you have to write below it. 2x minus 5y is equal to 1. So you have to subtract it. Plus sign becomes minus, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. The sign changes for subtraction, keep in mind. So this is plus 2x minus 2x, it gets cancelled. Plus 5y plus 2y, 7y. Therefore 7y is equals to 8 minus 1 is 7. So value of y is 7 upon 7, which is nothing but 1. We got the value of y. Just keep in mind whenever you add or you subtract, कोई भी एक वेरिएबल तो सब मतलब कैंसिल होना ही है. ओके. So y is equals to 7. Sorry, y is equal to 1. Place this value of y in any three equations. Any three. कौन से भी इक्वेशन में डालो आपकी वैल्यू सही आएगी. I'll write place in equation number 1. Therefore place value of y in equation number 1. So x की वैल्यू we don't know, y की वैल्यू is 1 is equal to 4. Therefore x is equal to this plus 1, it will go towards the right hand side and become minus 1. 4 minus 1. What is 4 minus 1? 3. So x is equal to 3. We got two variables x and y. Yes. So we got the solution. Solution is x comma y which is 3 comma 1. This method name is elimination method. What is the name of this method? Elimination method. So what do we do in elimination method? We eliminate any one variable. मतलब इधर हमने x को eliminate किया और फिर y की वैल्यू निकाली. So it is known as elimination method. Okay. So next sum we will do by substitution method. तो अभी substitution method क्या है हम वो देख लेते हैं. So now let's solve our second question by substitution method. So now what is substitution method? In substitution method, first let us write our question number second. It is 2x plus y is equal to 5. Question number 1. And 3x minus y is equal to 5. 2. Now therefore, what should we do in the substitution method? First you have to find the value of any one variable directly. I'll take equation number 2. So 3x minus y is equal to 5. This minus y will go towards the right hand side and become plus y, right? And this 5 will come towards the left hand side. So 3x minus 5 is equal to y. So we got the value of y is equal to 3x minus 5. So now I will give it equation number 3. Therefore, place value of y in equation number 1. From which equation you have found the value of y? It is equation number 2. So you shouldn't place the value of y in equation number 2. Keep in mind, you have to place in equation other than 2, that is 1. Therefore, 2x plus, what is the value of y? 3x minus 5 is equal to 5. Therefore, 2x plus 3x is 5x. Minus 5 will go towards the right hand side and become plus 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. So 5x is equal to 10. Therefore, x is equal to 10 upon 5. 5 1 जा, 5 2 जा, x is equal to 2. Now, इसके आगे की procedure same as elimination method. What you have to do? Therefore, place value of x in any one equation. I will place it in equation number 3. Therefore, y is equal to 3 into, what is the value of x? 2 minus 5. Therefore, y is equal to 3 2 is 6 minus 5. So, y will be 1. Therefore, our solution is x comma y is equal to 2 comma 1. Got it? Just keep in mind, you have to find the value of any one variable from the equation directly, and the variable, the equation from which you have found the value of variable, you shouldn't place the value of that variable in that equation. मतलब in simple language, अगर equation 1 से मैंने value of x निकाली है, तो वो value of x मैं equation 1 में नहीं डालूंगा, मैं equation number 2 में डालूंगा. Understood? Minus 5y is equal to 16, equation number 1, and x minus 3y is equal to 8. Number 2. We will solve it by elimination method. We will solve it by elimination method. Now, how to solve it by elimination method? What I have said in elimination method, check the value of coefficient. 3 1 5 3 are they same? No. तो अगर मुझको x को एलिमिनेट करना है, x को, so x का कोएफिशिएंट क्या है? 3. You have to multiply it by 3. और इधर x का कोएफिशिएंट क्या है? इधर multiply it by 1. If I multiply any equation by 1, the equation remains same. So no need to do that. मतलब 1 से अगर मैं इसको multiply करूंगा तो यही equation रहेगा, तो मैं वो लिखूंगा नहीं. Therefore, multiply equation number 2 by 3. 3 into x is 3x minus 3 into 3 is 9y is equals to 8 3s are 24. Therefore, I'll put it equation number 3. So coefficient इसके और इसके same है, same sign, subtraction. Okay, I will subtract now. Subtracting equation number 1 from 3. Always keep in mind, when you write subtraction, add the word from. तो equation number 3 कौन सा है? Okay, 3x minus 9y is equal to 24, and which is equation number 1? 3x minus 5y is equal to 16. I am subtracting. So when you subtract, the sign of the equation below changes. Minus, plus, minus. Now 3x minus 3x gets cancelled. Minus 9y plus 5y. It is minus 4y. And 24 minus 16 is 8. Therefore, what is the value of y? It is 8 upon minus 4. 4 1 za, 4 2 za, which is equal to minus 2. Now place value of y in equation number, any one equation you can place. I will place in equation number 2. Therefore x minus 3, what is the value of y? Minus 2 is equal to 8. X is equal to minus minus become plus, 3 2s are 6 is equal to 8. Therefore what is the value of x? 8 minus 6 is nothing but 2. Therefore our solution is x comma y, which is 2 comma minus 2. So very easy sum. Directly they have given solve. Here they have given directly solve. Then it depends on us. But whenever they say that solve by substitution method, solve by elimination method, then you have to solve by that method itself. Next is equation number 4. Question number 4. Two y minus x is equal to 0. Is this equation in standard form? मतलब standard form में तो है, but the variables are not arranged. So I'll first arrange the variables. Minus x को मैं पहले लिखूंगा and plus 2y को बाद में लिखूंगा, and I'll get this as equation number 1. Okay? Yes. Next is 10x plus 15y is equals to 105. 10x plus 15y is equal to 105. Equation number 2. Now I am using substituting method. So for substituting method, I'll find the value of any one variable. Just here it is easy to find the value of x. I'll find out that. Therefore, minus x, this plus 2y will go to this side and become minus 2y. Minus minus gets cancelled. X is equal to 2y. This is equation number 3. Place this value of x in equation number 2. Not to place it in equation number 1. Therefore, place value of x in equation 2. 10 into, what is the value of x? 2y plus 15 into y is equals to 105. 10 into 2 is 20y plus 15y is equals to 105. 20y plus 15y is 35y is equals to 105. Therefore, y is equals to 105 upon 35 is nothing but 3. So, what is the value of y? 3. Next, same, you have to place this value of y in any one equation. Place value of y in equation 3. In equation 3. So, what is our third equation? X is equal to 2 into y. What is y? 3. 6. So, what is the value of x? 6. Therefore, our solution turns out to be, solution is x comma y, which is equal to 6 comma 3. X की वैल्यू पहले लिखनी है. So, you get the answer? Yes. Simply इधर से हमने x की वैल्यू निकाली, वो प्लेस की इक्वेशन नंबर 2 में, and then we got the value of y and then place it in equation number 3. 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. What I have said, arrange toward the left hand side in x and y order and constant terms toward right hand side. मतलब ये इक्वेशन भी सही है, सिर्फ हम इसको रीअरेंज कर रहे हैं. 2x plus 3y plus 4 will go to this side and become minus 4, and I'll write this as equation number 1. Equation number 2 is x minus 5y equal to 11. Equation number 2. Now check coefficient by elimination method. We are going to solve 2 1 3 5 not same. So let's eliminate now y. So y का coefficient क्या है? 5. तो इसको किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा? 5. और इसको ऊपर के x. So therefore multiplying equation number 1 by 5 and equation number 2 by 3. सबसे पहले 1 को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 5 2 जा 10x प्लस 5 3 जा 15y. 5 into minus 4 is 20. This is equation number 3. Equation number 2 by 3. 3 into x 3x minus 3 into 5 15 into 3 into 11 is 33. Equation number 4. Now 15 15 same है, signs different है, different sign addition. So you have to add now. Addition. So different sign of these two. Therefore adding equation 3 and 4. So इधर from लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, you can directly write and add it. 10x plus 15y equal to minus 20. You can write any equation up and down for addition. Everything is okay. Now 10. So value of x is equal to 13 upon 13. It is plus 1. Now therefore place value of x in equation. I'll place it in equation number 2. What is the value of x? 1 minus 5y is equal to 11. So now this minus 5y will go towards the right hand side and become plus 5y, and plus 11 will come towards the left hand side and become minus 11. 1 minus 11 is minus 10 is equal to 5y. Therefore y is equals to minus 10 upon 5. 5 1 the 5 2 it is minus 2. Therefore our solution is x comma y. What is the value of x? 1. What is the value of y? Minus 2. I'll tell you one trick to check if our solution is correct or not. x और y की वैल्यू मिलती है, कोई भी एक इक्वेशन में डालो. I'll put it in equation number 4. 3 into what is the value of x? 1 minus 15 into what is the value of y? Minus 2. 3 into 1 is 3, minus minus become plus. 15 to the 30. 30 plus 3 is 33. I got the value 33. Right? मतलब RHS अगर मिल रहा है, then our solution is correct. Now is equal to 7 and 3x plus y is equal to 22. Equation number 1, equation number 2. Therefore substitution. What is the value of y? 22 minus 3x. I'll give it equation number 3. Therefore I'll place this value of y in equation number 1, not 2. Therefore place value of y in equation 1. 2x minus 7 into y. What is the value of y? 22 minus 3x is equal to 7. 2x minus 7 2 is 22 is 154. Minus minus become plus. 7 3 is 21x is equal to 7. 2x plus 21x is nothing but 23x is equals to 154. Minus 154 will go towards the right hand side and become plus 154. It is 23x is equals to 161. So x is equals to 161 upon 23 is nothing but 7. Now place the value of x in equation 3. Place any one equation, you can place value of x in equation number 3. Therefore, what is the equation number 3? Y is equal to 22 minus 3 into x. What is x? 7. that is 22 minus 21, which is 1. Therefore, what is our solution? Therefore, solution is x comma y, which is 1 comma 7. Just check. I will check by equation number 1. 2 into what is the value of x? 1 minus 7 into what is the value of y? 7. 2 ones are 2. Into value of x is 1, value of x is 7 and y is 1. Wait, I have written here by mistakenly. So value of x is 7 and y is 1. So 2 into 7 minus 1. 7 2s is 7 2s are 14 minus 7. 14 minus 7 is 7. And you got the value of RHS, means your solution is correct. So with this we come to an end of our first exercise, that is 5.1 of linear equation in two variables. For more such sums, stay tuned to our channel. You will get more such equations, more questions on this topic. And also the method is same. For substitution method, you have to just substitute, means find any one variable, substitute in another equation, find the value of the actual value of that variable, again resubstitute. In elimination method, check the coefficient, multiply, add or subtract, you find the value and resubstitute. So, thank you.